What's up, guys? There is a huge wealth transfer in the air brewing. I could see a bull run on the horizon thanks to Bitcoin and what it's been doing, and historically what triggers these bull runs. And it looks like the bull run is in effect. It's not in full effect, guys, but it is indeed in effect. So what I am here to provide for you guys is to understand how to build your portfolios to make money and make sure you take part in this next wealth transfer that's coming through crypto. You know, there's been wealth transfers historically through gold, through silver, through oil, through all kinds of other stuff, but we are going to look at cryptocurrency as a new wealth transfer, and what's going to take this to the next level is Web3, guys. So make sure you guys jump into crypto as hard as you can for the next 8 months. Then you get your profits, and then you go in and you kick some butt and get yourself prepared. You build a brand, build a business, build a YouTube, build e-com stores, whatever you can build. Make yourself a little bit better. Make your situation better. That way you're prepared for the next bear market, and it puts you in position to buy up as much positions as you can for the following bull run. All right, guys, I hope I could bring you this value. If you guys can, like and subscribe, and if you want to see more content like this, go ahead and hit that notification button and I'll pop up on ya. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this one. This one is HBAR. Here we go, HBAR. All right, guys, while we dive into HBAR, I want you guys to realize one thing, that I am here to help you guys make some money in cryptocurrency. Everybody knows, if you've been watching my videos, that I'm a huge XRP fan, but so I took the selfish out. I said, you know what, take the selfish out. I know there's people that love XRP, and if some of you guys are watching me because of XRP, trust and believe, I'm not going to stop making them videos. But what I really want to do is scale out to projects that I do believe and that I'm buying into, because I do believe that crypto is going to blow up as a huge asset, and Bitcoin is the driver. Always know that Bitcoin is the driver, and we follow what Bitcoin does. And so let me school you guys real quick. If you don't know, now you know. Bitcoin, when it starts to go up and then it comes back down for a correction, guess what? Altcoins start to fly up, then they come down, and then you got the little meme whip. And I'm not a big meme fan, but I'm actually gonna make a meme video because there is a meme coin that I'm really watching, and I think that's gonna be one that I'm going to invest in. I'm gonna put a nice position in on it. It's gonna be tough, but you know, I think that this project will do some things because it was created by a gentleman that's pretty popular in the YouTube space. I might have gave it away already, but it is what it is. All right, guys, so just know that everything that I do is for you. It's not, you know, it's not for me to gain whatever. You know, I'm actually really passionate about cryptocurrency. Everybody always, like, you know, family members and stuff are like, what the heck, you know, like, it's funny because, you know, it's like a battle you got to deal with, right? You know, you get people, family members that are just like, you know what it is. I'm sure everybody's gone through the ringer with that, but you know what, we got to believe in what we believe in, and that's us. That's how we get it. That's how we show, you know, what our rewards are basically going to show what we believe in and how positive that it's going to be. Don't let the news deter you from doing what you're doing. You have to have thick skin in this game. You know, you got to have that thick skin, go through the fire. You got to go through the fire, and trust me, there's a lot of challenges, especially if you believe in crypto. So I just wanted to throw that out there, guys. So let me get into the HBAR charts for you so I could give you some ideas. And the way that I run my crypto game is I give you what is data sitting in front of you, not I do throw in some of my mindset, but I never take it out of the balance of what it is now and what it has been. I always stay balanced within that sector, because everybody knows that things happen in a bull run, but 9 times out of 10 they don't always do the all-time high retest and then blow into this price discovery, but some will, and I do believe that HBAR will indeed do that. All right, guys, let's get into HBAR real quick. We're going to hit the charts. Let's get it. It is a fantastic opportunity to get in. Why are we saying that? Because right now HBAR is sitting at 4 cents, 0.04 cents. If we look at the all-time high, we hit an all-time high of 50 cents. So That's a solid 10x from where we're sitting at today. So if you think about it, whatever you choose to invest, there's a solid 10x in the play. Now, when you know, here's the deal. People have bought in over here at, oh, where you're at, 4 cents right here, and then we seen the bull market, then we got up to about 30-40 cents, and then we hit an all-time high of 50. Let me see, it is 50 cents. Yeah, I'm gonna say 50 cents. So it's 50 cents at the all-time high. Here's what I'm gonna try to preach to you, is that right now, guys, these people that bought in at 4 cents, where you would be buying in at 4 cents, HBAR is definitely gonna hit its all-time high. All right, definitely. They're just without a doubt, right? So what we're gonna do is, because I love doing this, is setting up the Run My Crypto exit strategy. So I'm gonna set up a Run My Crypto exit strategy for you guys. If you guys don't know, it's my 25 25 25 and the last 25 hold. All right, so we'll get into the next one, but let's look at market cap sitting at 1.5 billion. All right, 24-hour volume is 14 million. And then we have a total supply of 50 billion HBAR, 32 billion out in circulation. So that means there is about, what is it? 36% left. So 36%. So we got about another 20 billion coins left in circulation or to purchase. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into the Run My Crypto exit strategy. All right, let's check it out. All right, here it is, guys, the HBAR investment with the Run My Crypto exit strategy. Basically what I have set up for you guys here today is a Run My Crypto exit strategy of 4 exit positions, selling at 25% of your ultimate position. So if we were to invest $1,000 in HBAR, that would equate to 25,000 HBAR. And if we go into the exit strategy, exit number 1 would be the 25% of 6,250 HBAR. Now we set a target min of 20 cents is where we're going to start taking profit. To exit number 3, which is 48 cents, where we will be ending our take profit for that point. So I put those in there. So you see exit 1, exit 2, and exit 3. All right, so also exit 4 is going to be a hold, and now that hold is determined by where you want to hold it at. So out of a $1,000 investment with the 3 targets that I set, and this is staying underneath the all-time high of 50 cents, but HBAR will blow off that top. So just being safe, a $1,000 investment would get you a return on investment of $6,125 with realized gains of 5,125. Now you still have that 6,250 HBAR left. Now if HBAR does get to anywhere from 80 cents to $1.20 or even higher, you're looking at an additional 5,000 to 7,500. Now that's just a small investment of $1,000. You could be creative, or if you have more money to invest, you can utilize this strategy and build some different exit points to your own leisure, whatever works for you best. All right, so I just set this up. So simple math, simple exit strategy, $1,000 investment, gain about $5,000. I know it's a safe investment for $1,000, but that exit number 4 could put you quite up. So just think about it. That's my Run My Crypto exit strategy. Again, you can use this for lower caps for bigger gains. Riskier plays is obviously going to get you much bigger gains. So guys, I just really wanted to close with this. You know, we're not here to make millions of dollars right off the bat. You know, I don't know if a lot of you have the resources to do that, but you know, this is just a simple $1,000 investment that could potentially gain you quite a bit if you play the strategy right. Or, you know, there's different ways that you could tweak with the Run My Crypto exit strategy. You could combine 1 and 2 exits to try to double up those gains. You could get creative. That's just a basic layout of how you could exit out and take profits while the bull market is on us. You know, who knows, by exit 1 you could get back your total investment, and then obviously, if you know, who knows, before you even go to exit to, you're already at $1 or 80 cents or anything crazy like that. So then at that point you'd reevaluate exit number 3, and then obviously exit number 4 you could kind of tune that out to how you can. So you can make quite a bit of money. You can make anywhere from, you know, $5,000 to $15,000 off $1,000 investment, especially with HBAR. I do believe that's going to roughly hit around a 30x return on any initial investment. So you guys, again, this is not financial advice. I hope you guys do your research on the project HBAR. I'm super bullish on it. I think it's a great project for 2025. I think it's going to see massive gains. There's a lot of massive dynamic that's going on in the background that you guys are not aware of with HBAR. They're building to be #1, and obviously, you know, any project that has its mindset to win is gonna win, just like you guys. All right, guys, you guys take care. Appreciate you taking the time. Hopefully you stay through to the end to see this. Thanks for the support. Like and subscribe. Appreciate you guys. Stay blessed and get that paper. Take care.